Hello families, my name is Janelle Garcia and I am the Family and Community Engagement Coordinator for Monterey Peninsula Unified School District. We are excited to announce our partnership with Parent Institute for Quality Education to bring to you our signature family engagement program.
So there's very different aspects of that program that talk about various different things leading from education to finance to the school operations, why funding is the way it is and budgeting and how to access that, and also how to effectively communicate with the administration.
This 8-week program meets once a week. It equips families with the skills, tools, and resources to help their children thrive, not just today, but for years to come. We've made it even easier for you to participate by offering free food and childcare during each session. Each week, parents will come together to learn new strategies for supporting their students' success, while also building a strong sense of community. Throughout the program, we integrated social-emotional learning and digital literacy components, giving families the tools they need to help their children develop positive self-esteem, navigate the school system, and prepare for a brighter future by planning to go to college. The program also focuses on essential digital skills, including online security.
How not to access spam, cyberbullying, how to communicate on Parent Square, importance of checking it, time management of that.
Our goal is to educate, empower, and inspire families to take an active role in their child's education. By joining this program, you'll not only gain practical strategies to support your student, but also expand your digital and family resources. Together, we can build a foundation for lifelong success. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you in our next session.